you liking your Ovaltine, Chi-Chi?
Chi-Chi, you're drinking Ovaltine. Is it Ovaltine or Ovaltine?
Ovaltine. Chi-Chi loves a cup of Ovaltine, don't you, Chi-Chi? She's got her very own cup. She'll take a photograph.
I'm taking a video.
You'll be snoring your head off after that, won't you?
She likes it. Gosh. You sure you've had enough, Chi-Chi?
It's because I've made it with milk, that's why she likes it.
Does she like milk?
Well, she's obviously liking Ovaltine. Might be because I've made it with milk, I don't know.
Maybe she just likes Ovaltine.
You like Ovaltine?
Yes, you. Is that yummy? Oh, she's going for some more. Oh, Ovaltine, eh? Lovely. Smile. Say hello, Chi-Chi.
She loves her mummy, don't you, Chi-Chi?
Yeah. Of course you do.